Hi, this is the new task list. That application was developed on the Microsoft Visual Basic. The idea that program is to use something very similar to Excel, but with the flexibility and add-on of a database. So when you open the program, you are going to see something very similar to Excel. You are going to see a table that you can edit the same way you would be able to edit an Excel sheet. We can see a task where I can change the priority, where I can add more text, send a quote, where I can edit the text easily. Or now in that list, I can decide to add new task. So I can just go there. I'm going to create a new task, would be to prepare a proposal. Oops, sorry. To send to let's see, AMD. I'm going to assign that to Sean. Due date, I'm going to pick something for early next month, June 1st. Okay, here I'm going to put a bit of the text. So this is a proposal that was requested by AMD. Please make sure that you add our new system, whatever it is. It is urgent, be on time. Well, now that I've created a task, actually that I could email it to the assignee. The good thing with Microsoft and the way it was developed is there's a tight relation. So as soon as I click an email, it's going to prepare it. And here it is. Automatically it found the address. The subject of the task is to prepare a proposal, and then the small text that we wrote. And that proposal got right there. When you look at that list, you can filter it the way you want. So if I go in I could filter it, for example, by keyword. I know I had a quote or a proposal that was in relation to Intel, but I don't remember much about it. So let me type the keyword Intel, and I'm going to see that oh yeah, I had that line item that was assigned to Dean Sutter, and the due date is actually next week. Remove that. What I could be interested in would be to show me everything that is due for next week. Again, this is something that we already created. This will be right there, due date this week. Or maybe I want to see something that has not been done yet, in a sense that there's no filter for it. Let's say that actually I want to see that everything that is overdue. Well, then I would go there, create something showing that everything that would be a little bit outside the screen, but everything that is in the past, and here it is. And I know that I'm going to use that feature a lot, so I'm going to save that filter. I'm going to say status equal overdue. Could put a small application created by me on May 16, or any kind of information, so maybe people know how it works, and close it. Now if I clear the filter but want to see what is overdue, and I've saved it, so I can just go right there and say status overdue, and right there it is. Other application that can be done would be to create reports, obviously. So if I want to see all the tasks, so that will show me everything there. I guess that could be useful, but something that is most likely more useful would be to show all the tasks that are overdue. So overdue task. My case, I have two. So here's one report. If I want to see a bit more, actually, I can actually open it, and I see that that was for Sean, and I can actually quickly send him an email just to remind him about it. It's a bit slow here just because we have to load my Outlook. I closed it before. Here it is. Same thing, you see the date and the task name. We could see other type of report, let's say per person. I want to see everything depending on the people. So right there it is. Another way what I could do too is actually let me say, let me clean that filter, and I want to see everything that was assigned to Dean Sutter. So I'm going to go there, text filter equal, so I see everything that is assigned to him, and actually I want to email that. So I can email that in different format: Excel, HTML list, PDF. Let's pick an HTML list. Here it is. So now it is sending an email. So here I can just type to whoever I want to send it. I can customize my view too. Maybe I'm not interested in seeing the completion or maybe the start date, so I can say, well, you know what, I don't care about about the priority, so I can just remove it. Or maybe I care about the priority, but I don't care about the percentage of completion. And so here it is. So here's a quick example of what we can do, and that's it for today. Thank you very much.